Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another memory plan with me. Today I am memory planning the week of May 13th through the 19th, and I will be using this kit called Bold and Beautiful from my shop Nedi Designs. I did print the full boxes because I used this kit in my Erin Condren, and then I'm using the leftovers from that week, same week. And this was foiled in, what is that, gold? No, rose gold. And I have all these left over that I will be using here. And I'll be bringing in some other shops. So, usually I'll go ahead, well, I am going to speed up the process. But first, let me tell you, or should I do it afterwards? I always forget. What did I do last time? Did I speed up this process or did I tell you my plans? I forgot. Okay, well, first things first, I go ahead and put my sidebar. Once I'm done, I will go ahead and come back and show you the final spread. I will also show you how this same week came out in my Erin Condren, and I'll show you my previous memory plan. I'm also going to be using this washi. I don't know where this one's from. It's probably from Michael's. And then all of these are the Pink Room Co. And then this one is Simply Gilded. But I still don't know which one I'm going to be using. So this week, I'll just go over my stuff. This week, does that match? No. On Monday, so this is the first week that I came back from California. So it was really busy, work-related busy. And so let's see, what do I have? So on Monday we had food. Oh, I had to go buy food because my kids ate all the food that I left. I can't match this. I'm trying to come up with a nice combination. I need a big one. Are you sure this one doesn't go, Nedi? Maybe it does. I'm gonna do this. Just do it. So I came back and I had to do some food shopping because two of my oldest daughters and my husband's they did not go to California. So when I came back, there was no food. They claim I did not leave any food for them. And I think they went shopping for a few things, but I still had to go that day. So that, and then my daughter had a soccer game. I think this was her last soccer game of the season. And I received Happy Mail from the Sassy Planner Nerd. Really good stuff. I really liked her stickers and her paper. You've probably already seen, if you see my videos, you've already seen me use some of her stickers. Am I using them today? No, I didn't pull anything. So all the stickers that I pulled are from samplers. Most of them are from samplers. And recently I mentioned this, but I'll mention it again. My daughter organized all my stickers by categories. So she took them out of the sticker sheet and put them all in a sticker page. And so now I don't know who they are from. So if I remember, if I recognize them, I'll go ahead and put the name down here for you to know the name of the shop, and I'll mention it too. But if not, I am so sorry because I don't know who they're from. And so that was it for Monday. And then on Tuesday, there was my middle child, my middle daughter, had an ortho appointment. I had conferences with a preschooler one, and I cleaned because the house was okay, but I still cleaned. I'm gonna go ahead and put my boxes at the bottom. And then on the 15th, I guess I forgot some stuff from the market and I had to go back to go shopping again. And then I cleaned again. And then, so I got back from California, although it was not a vacation, it was still, like, I was not eating healthy. We were eating hospital food and just out food, not part of my keto diet. And so I wanted to weigh myself, but I was just such a coward to get on the scale, on the weight scale, the day that I got back, and on Monday and on Tuesday. But finally, on Wednesday, I got up on it early in the morning, you know, when you feel like super skinny. I hope it's not considered cheating. And I was up 7 pounds. Oh, I mean, no surprise there. I was not eating well at all. But still, oh, that one went wrong really quick. It's still not good. So I'm gonna put that, and then on Thursday I went to go buy some stamps. I went to the post office 3 times, guys, 3 times. So in the morning, I guess I did orders the night before because I had orders waiting for me when I went to California, or during my stay at California. And I went in the morning, and then I went in the afternoon when I go pick up my preschooler. And then I went again when I picked up my older daughter from high school. She had an event, so it was like later in the night. So I was like, oh, 3 times. I better write this down. And then I had a hair mask. I did a hair mask. They are so awesome. It leaves your hair shiny. And now that I'm a blonde, I need that extra moisture. What else? I'm gonna use some. I took out these. What am I doing? Did I have any leftovers? Probably not. Oh, I did. Oh, I don't need headers. Not using those. So I'm gonna use these. And the date covers are the pink ones from Avalon and 9. So I'm gonna use these glitter headers on the top and these over the full boxes. And so that was it. Oh, and I did some keto tortillas. So that's one of the things I've been missing from the keto diet are my tortillas, because I'm Latin and that's what we are used to eating with every single meal. And so that's what I missed. So I made them. Oh my God, they're so good. And they're keto. It's a lot of work, but I made them and they were good. Since then, I've made them like 3 more times. And I think today, as we speak, I am going to get some done. I only make like 7, and I eat like 1 or 2 sometimes per day. So it lasts like 4 days. I really don't like eating like really old food, like from like 4 days or more. So yeah, that's what I did. And then on Friday, I slept in. I've been so tired since I came back from California. So I slept in. I did not go to work out, guys. Oh my gosh. I think I had the alarm and I must have snoozed but turned it off instead and did not wake up on time. And I got on this weight scale again and I lost 3 pounds out of the 7 that I had gained. So yay me. So I'm gonna mark that. And I had to schedule my daughter's driving school. So that's gonna start in June. It's like a 3-week course, so she's excited for that. And then Saturday, I cleaned again. I organized my stickers. I started designing my Hobonichi weeks, and I went to sleep. Yeah, I went to sleep really early this day. I was still tired. And then finally on the 19th, on Sunday, it was family time. We probably went out to eat. I packed more orders and I watched a movie, and I baked some keto muffins. They're blueberry keto muffins. They're so good. Oh, I have some in the fridge. I'm gonna have a cup of coffee, and a muffin as soon as I'm done filming this video, guys. So I am filming pretty late. It is May 31st. This video should have been up today. It's Friday. But instead, I went to get my hair done, and these last few days I've been super tired. So I've been relaxing since gone. So yeah, that's what's been happening. And that's it for this week. So let me go ahead and continue planning. As mentioned, I'm gonna speed you through, and then I'll be back. I'm gonna zoom you in a little bit. And then I'll be back to show you the final spread and last week and this kit in the Erin Con. So talk to you soon. Hold on. Alrighty guys, so this is the final spread. I love the way it came out. I like the hints of orange here and there that matches the flowers. So now I'm gonna show you how that same week came out in my Erin Condren. Very different, packed, but it's okay, I don't mind it. And I used Once More with Love in here. So cute, I like it. I'm gonna go ahead and put the video up here for this plan with me if you want to see it. And then I want to show you in my memory how the previous week came out. Here we go, very different, very colorful, very subtle. This is Planner Addict from also my shop, Nedi Designs. And I can go ahead and put the video up here too if you want to go ahead and take a look at it. So we're all set for this week, guys. I hope you guys liked it. If you want to follow me on Instagram, it's Nedi Design. Or if you want to check out my shop, it's in Etsy and it's also Nedi Design. I hope you have a wonderful week. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.